Self-esteem shapes how you see yourself, how you interact with others, and how you handle life's challenges. Yet many of us wake up fighting negative thoughts before the day even begins. The good news is, positive thinking isn't about ignoring struggles. It's about reshaping how we respond to them. Let's explore how you can build real self-esteem through intentional daily positivity. Number 1. Notice the inner voice. Low self-esteem often begins with a critical inner dialogue. Thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll just fail," quietly eat away the confidence. The first step is awareness. Catch the thought, label it. Ask, "Would I say this to a loved one?" If not, then it doesn't belong to you either. Number 2. Reframe with self-compassion. Instead of repeating, "I always mess things up," try, "I'm still learning, and that's okay." This is not fake positivity, it's self-compassion. When you reframe mistakes as growth, your mind begins to trust you, and that trust is the foundation of self-esteem. Number 3. Surround yourself with positivity. When you spend time with people who uplift, encourage, and respect you, their energy influences how you see yourself. Seek out relationships that reflect the value you're working to build inside. Number 4. Celebrate small wins. Confidence grows in layers. Did you speak up in class? Did you walk away from a draining conversation? Did you take care of your body today? Write it down, celebrate it. Self-esteem is not built on one huge achievement, but on hundreds of small victories noticed and appreciated. Number 5. Practice daily positivity rituals. Positive thinking is not a one-time effort, it's a daily practice. Start the morning with 3 things you're grateful for. End the night by naming 1 thing you're proud of. Over time, these rituals rewire the brain toward confidence and resilience. Remember, self-esteem doesn't grow in isolation. Sometimes the weight of negative thoughts feels overwhelming, and that's where professional support makes the difference. At SDKare, we specialize in personalized care for self-esteem, confidence, and mental wellness. Our providers listen, guide, and create plans that fit your life, all from the comfort of your home. Building self-esteem through positive thinking is about progress, not perfection. Catch the critical voice, reframe it with compassion, celebrate the small wins, and let positivity become a habit that lifts you forward. Your thoughts shape your self-worth. Don't wait to start building a kinder inner voice. Visit sdkare.com today and take your first step toward lasting confidence. SDKare. Simple, dedicated care. For your mind, your confidence, your life.